Hi! In this video, I will show you how to log in Target Red Card online account. So first, head over right here to the target.com on the website, and then after that, click on this Target Circle card. Then from in there, you should be able to see this. So you can actually see this right there. So you can apply for the card that you want for use with this one. If you already have an account, you can head over and then log in to that page as well. Go to ourcam.target.com and then you should be able to see in here your Target Circle card. So head over and then put in here the username that you have on your card as well as the password that you will use for this one. After that, click over here to the sign in option. If you actually forgot your username or password, head over and click on this right there. And then after that, just put in here the username or email that you have right there if you forgot your password. And if you forgot your username, just enter in here your email. And then they should be able to send you the email containing the actual username. But first, they will ask you for an OTP, so make sure to provide that. So that's how you log in the Target Red Card online account. I hope this video helped you out.